Hey guys, welcome to Around the World. I'm Erik, and in this video I'd like to show you around on one of the best trips I've made so far. I'm on a family vacation to a little town in southern France called Roquecourt. Let me tell you why. Let's go. There are two reasons why this trip is one of the best trips I've made so far. It is very recently that the world cautiously came out of its lockdown. Borders are slowly and carefully opening again, and after 3 years of not traveling, it feels like taking in that first deep breath after being underwater for, well, not seconds or minutes, but years. Though it wasn't the pandemic that took my breath away. To really explain why this is the best trip I've made so far, I must tell you a little bit about my extraordinary but beautiful family that exists of Janie, Eileen and my little son Dan. In 2018, life couldn't have been better. I was traveling to various countries in Europe, to Curacao and New York, to film as much as I could for my channel Around the World. Janie was pregnant and doing great. I was becoming a father. How crazy is that? We were all on cloud 9. On October 14th, 2018, Janie gave birth to our beautiful and healthy baby boy Dan. I felt like a dog with 2 tails, on top of the world, overlooking the 7th heaven, and there was nothing on earth that could bring me down. But then, out of nowhere, just 5 weeks after Dan was born, Janie felt some weird tingling in her body. And after a sudden big epileptic attack, they found something in her brain that was later diagnosed as a brain tumor. We didn't want to lower our spirits since we had so much to live for. But gosh, did we take a good blow. With an average brain tumor survival rate, it is hard to see a future together. But here we are, 3 years later, way past the stats, alive and kicking, smiling, loving, with still a very unsure future. But that we can live with. So that's what we do. We live. Here and now. We hug, hope, breathe, and play until the middle of the night. We visit places, stand still, walk, run, and dance. Gosh, we even jump from time to time. From joy or through a small hoop. Just to make sure that if it all ends tomorrow, we can happily say, at least we enjoyed today. So here we are, with the 4 of us, on a holiday in southern France, in and around a tiny town called Roquecourt, which seems like nothing, but for us it is more than we could have ever wished for. It is a little miracle, to be honest, that makes us humble and immensely grateful. To show our gratitude, we light candles everywhere we go, to whoever's listening. Not an easy task with a 3-year-old who blows every candle he sees because he thinks it's his birthday, again. But hey, I can't blame him. Celebrate whatever, whenever you can, like your birthday on any given day. Living life with a cherry on top. That's what we do. Talking about cherries on top, after hearing Janie's diagnosis, we didn't want to wait and see what happened. But since I'm no doctor, I can't come up with new cures for cancer myself. So I sat down with some true friends and together we started a foundation called Cherries on Top to collect money for cancer research worldwide. I will tell you more about Cherries on Top in a different video, which I'll link to this video as soon as it's ready, but feel free to visit cherriesontop.org, link in the description, if you'd like to donate or help to cure cancer once and for all. It is cherry much appreciated. So thanks a million for joining me on my family vacation and staying around during this unusual Around the World video. Your support means the world to me, so feel free to share your story as well by leaving a comment or getting in touch through social media. Enjoy some last 360 shots of Roquecourt. Thanks for watching, stay wonderful, and as always, I will see you around.